Why are there more and more people talking about culinary recipe creations? Because experimenting in the kitchen is deliciously fun. That's why. Join us for delectable foodie tutorials that will transform your cooking game. From savory starters to decadent desserts, we've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest mouth-watering creations. Love what you see? Drop us a like, leave a comment, and share our videos with your fellow food enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more scrumptious content. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the cooking entertainment. Stay tuned in, because it's cooking time. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your new favorite kitchen corner. Let's create something delicious together.
An American icon, the cheeseburger. The cheeseburger. Just saying it makes your mouth water, right? This American classic is more than just food. It's a symbol of good times and great taste. Imagine biting into a juicy burger, melted cheese oozing out. Are you hungry yet? Let's cook. This recipe is your guide to burger greatness. It's simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. We'll walk through each step, from choosing the right beef to grilling like a pro. Get ready to impress your friends and family with the best darn cheeseburgers they've ever tasted. But before we fire up the grill, let's gather our ingredients. After all, every great chef knows that the key to a fantastic dish starts with fresh, quality ingredients. Every good burger starts with quality ingredients. For this recipe, we need just a few simple things. Beef. Use 80-20 ground chuck for a juicy burger. Buns. Soft, toasted sesame seed buns are classic. Cheese. American cheese melts beautifully, but cheddar or provolone are tasty too. Toppings. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, whatever you enjoy. Seasoning. Salt and pepper are all you need for the beef. Once you've got your ingredients prepped and ready to go, it is time to start shaping our patties. Remember, we aren't making hockey pucks here, so be gentle with the meat. Now for the fun part, shaping the patties. Divide your ground beef into equal portions. For a classic burger, aim for about 4 ounces per patty. Gently form each portion into a ball, then flatten it into a patty about ½ inch thick. Make sure the patties are slightly wider than your buns. This accounts for shrinkage during cooking. With your thumb, make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from plumping up too much in the middle. Section 4. The sizzle and dance of cooking. Time to cook. You can grill or pan fry your burgers. If grilling, use medium-high heat. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare. For pan frying, heat a skillet over medium heat. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. It's the sound of deliciousness in the making. Don't press down on the patties while cooking. This will release all those flavorful juices. Remember, we want juicy, not dry burgers. Section 5. Cheesing and crowning your creation. When the patties are almost done, it's cheese time. Place a slice of cheese on each patty and let it melt for a minute. Now toast your buns lightly on the grill or in the pan. Finally, build your burgers. Start with the bottom bun, add a patty, and then your favorite toppings. Don't be shy. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles. Go wild. Top it off with the other half of the bun and get ready to experience pure burger bliss. Section 6. Burger variations. A world of flavor. The beauty of a cheeseburger is its versatility. Want to add some heat? Use pepper jack cheese and jalapenos. Feeling adventurous? Try a burger topped with bacon and a fried egg. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and make it your own. No matter how you dress it up, a well-made cheeseburger is a thing of beauty. Section 7. The perfect bite. Serving your masterpiece. Your masterpiece is ready. Serve your cheeseburgers immediately with a side of fries, potato chips, or a crisp salad. The key to a perfect bite is the combination of juicy patty, melted cheese, and your favorite toppings, all nestled in a soft bun. So, gather your friends and family and dig into this American classic. Enjoy! What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking!